How to fix audio delay in video Android. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. First of all, if you would like to fix your audio delay in videos, you have to identify which app you're having this problem. For instance, if it's Instagram and all the videos you have been playing on Instagram is delayed according to its video, then you have to update your application. For that, head over to your Play Store or App Store and type in Instagram. But if the problem is being shown on Facebook, you have to update your Facebook and see if this fixes your problem. Also, make sure that your sound quality is full. Now, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, tap on apps. As I said, if you're having problem with Facebook, you have to search for Facebook here. If it's Instagram, search for Instagram and then search. Open your app, tap on storage and then clear the cache. If you will know your credentials, you may also go ahead, clear data, then tap on force stop, then OK. Now restart your device, launch your application, and then this shall work. If it's still not working, then simply restart your device, wait for a couple hours, and this will automatically be resolved itself. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.